Today, I'm going to brew a cup of coffee using this moka pot from IKEA. To prepare it for use, we have to first disassemble the moka pot by unscrewing the base. This moka pot is made out of stainless steel and feels quite substantial. With the bottom part removed, we can take out the funnel and fill up the base with water. This moka pot can make up to 2 cups of coffee in one go, which is perfect for sharing with another person. One drawback about moka pots is that it would be too hot to handle after making one round of coffee and has to be left alone for a while. So it isn't really a good device to use if you have lots of guests that you want to prepare coffee for. Here I'm using coffee grounds that I usually use for my espresso machine. These coffee grounds are ground to the finest setting available on my coffee grinder, and I hope that serves as a good comparison since I'm not changing anything in the coffee when using in my espresso machine and the moka pot. So now that we have filled the moka pot funnel to the brim, it is very important to clean off any residual coffee grounds on the edges of the moka pot so that it can have a good seal with the top portion. And now let's proceed to heat it up. So it takes about 2 to 3 minutes in order to heat up the coffee and have it produce coffee at the top. So it's important to keep an eye on the moka pot while heating it up. The smart thing about this moka pot is that it uses the pressure that builds up at the bottom of the moka pot while the water heats up to push the hot water through the funnel and up to the top portion of the moka pot. So the coffee that is made from this moka pot is certainly not as concentrated as if I were to use an espresso machine, but for this case it's good enough for 2 cups of Americano style coffee, and it's good.